And the winner is... This is where they have the music, and then they cut the commercial.
Whoa.
I started the fire.
Hi, I'm Charlotte, and I'm a fourth-year medical student at the University of Pennsylvania. The reason that I signed up for BreckWild was actually because I was taking another wilderness medicine elective, and I got to meet Lara, who's the director of this one, and the opportunity sounded amazing to be able to come out to Colorado and experience wilderness medicine in all these different environments. So I was excited to expand on my wilderness medicine knowledge and learn how to do it in this alpine environment, and then also what to do in a desert environment.
Oh!
I'm Megan. I'm going to be a general surgeon. This rotation has definitely influenced the way that I hope to practice. I want to lead trips in the backcountry as a treating physician, and I also hope to come back and teach in the elective in the future.
So I chose a program because I wanted to figure out how to be in a space where I could be as minimalist as possible and do the most with the least. And coming to the program, being with like 10 people for a whole month and being accountable to each other and living with each other was one of the best things I've ever experienced.
Hi guys, I'm Steve. I'm one of the participants in the program. I had a different route than most people. I actually knew about the BOEC, who's the organization who actually partners with us in Breckenridge to put on this program. So I'd known about it from that way. They're a super awesome organization, and I kind of heard what they do in this medical thing. And I looked into it, signed up, and it's been pretty awesome so far.
We had so many amazing lecturers come out, and we got to learn so much from them, and some of my favorites were learning about avalanche safety as well as altitude and how it affects our physiology.
It's been really remarkable the quality of speakers that Lara and Josh have assembled to talk to us. Some people have really come a long way, and they're really experts in their field, and I was really impressed with the things they said and the things I've learned through them.
The friendships that you get, the perspectives that you gain, and the insights that people have that you don't necessarily get it in the first day, but as it progresses, you start figuring out people have a ton of life and a ton of experiences, and I think that's going to play out very well in my future career in the ED, just because you learn to rely on people differently.
My favorite part of being in the field was being on the river and getting to sleep under the stars every night.
So I honestly had no idea what to expect from this course, but I was just really excited to play outside and to meet people that were also had similar interests and were excited to be outside as well. And what I hoped to get out of the course was I was really excited to have more hands-on experience. I think a lot of med school is like a lot of sitting and lecturing, and I was very excited to be in this immersive experience where you just got to be outside and really practice the skills hands-on. This experience has far and away been one of the best experiences I've had in medical school. I think I was a little nervous coming in not knowing anybody, but this group is it's an incredible group of people. Josh and Lara are the best, and I just could not recommend this experience highly enough. I laughed more than I have in a long time during this.